Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Ashley, and the video I'm going to be showing you today is on 3-strand twists. Now, I'll show you the difference between the 2-strand and the 3-strand. The 2-strand is much looser, and the 3-strand, with it being tighter, you'll get more curl definition. Now, needless to say, after I recorded this video, I went outside the very next day and got caught in the rain, hence the fro. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and hit the little notification bell so that you'll know when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all. So I just wanted to come in and show y'all the difference between the 2-strand twist and the 3-strand twist. So here I have, this is a 3-strand, this is a 2-strand. This is a 3-strand, this is a 2-strand. Now, for me, I love the look of the 3-strand twist once I take them out. Reason being, you'll get so much more definition, so much more. The 2-strand are better on as far as saving time, but the 3-strand twist, once you take them out, listen. You want to talk about definition? I love it. 2, 3. And basically what I do is I take this piece from all the way on the right side and I bring it all the way over to the left. So you're crossing it over both strands of those hairs. And now I'm taking my second piece, crossing it all the way over to the left. Okay. And my third piece, all the way over to the left. So basically, we're right back where we started, with this being the left piece, this being the middle, and this being the right. Or you can say 1, 2, 3. I'll take 1, I'll cross it all the way over, cross it over 2 and 3. So now we have 1, 3, 2. Now I'll take 2, I'll cross it all the way over. Now we have 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Take 3, cross it all the way over. And then we have 3, 2, 1. And you basically just keep going. Now, of course, once you have the hang of it, you'll be able to go much faster than this. But these do take a little more time than the 2-strand twist. And pretty much my left hand isn't moving. Now that I'm at the end, I'm getting kind of low on hair, so I'm going to take these 2 strands and put them together, and we're going to turn it into a 2-strand twist. And then at the end, just do a little finger coil. If you got some gel, just do a little dab and do it at the end so it can give you a cute little curl at the end. And that's it. This is it. And again, my hair is not freshly washed. This was like 4-day-old hair, or maybe longer than that. And I just decided to do the 3-strand twist. So yeah, I'll come back and show you guys what the twist out looks like. Do this with my wide tooth comb. You ever forget how much you like a style? And really, you can just go through your hair and play with it, and you could pull your twist apart even more than I did.